Yuku's NFT marketplace. One of the key highlights of the Yuku platform is our NFT marketplace. Now, NFTs have quite a colorful reputation and often are associated with lacking value or purpose. And while this may be the case for some NFT collections, and there's a lot of debate to be had on this topic, I would like to highlight that lack of utility isn't inherently true for all NFTs. And in fact, as time goes on, it seems NFTs are being given genuine utility and functionality within various platforms and projects. Some NFTs already have strong utility within their respective ecosystem, and there's a lot of potential for utility that people may not realize when it comes to NFTs, ranging from gatekeeping access to certain aspects of a site, use within a game or social platform, or even unique identifiers for your wallet. The list goes on and on. While there's too many NFT projects out there to touch on, some quick examples of projects with utility would be Yuku's NFT avatars or cosmetics that could be utilized in the Yuku metaverse. These kinds of NFTs have a use case and purpose that may interest some metaverse participants and give life to the NFT beyond just being an image on the blockchain. With that said, trading NFTs on Yuku is quite straightforward, and all the user needs to do is connect their email or wallet in the top right, deposit some ICP, and navigate to the marketplace here at the top. On this interface, we can browse various NFT collections or art, and if we find something we like, we can click Buy Now or add it to the cart to buy it later. Listing NFTs for sale is also quite simple, and to do that we just need to navigate to the Assets page in the top right, and on this page you just need to hover over the three dots toward the bottom right of the NFT. From there we can select Sell, and we'll be greeted with an interface allowing us to input an asking price valued in either ICP or Yuku tokens. Once that's submitted, the NFT will be listed for sale on the marketplace, and should another trader buy it, you'll be credited with the ICP or Yuku tokens listed in your asking price.